In this video, you will learn how to run a SQL query through Bodo. The data is in Snowflake, and we are using Bodo Platform Interactive Environment, Jupyter Notebook. To do so, you open a new notebook, you select the cluster that you already spun up and you learned in the previous video how to create a cluster. You select the Snowflake catalog, and you also learned how to create a catalog in the previous video. When you are in here, make sure this is on SQL, paste your SQL query and run it. And the job is completed. The results is saved at last SQL output variable. In order to see the results, you can paste it here, leave it on parallel Python, and then execute. There you had it. Thank you.